We're going to do a one-click import of a CSV file straight into Excel. I can run the file from here. And that's how quick it is to import a file into Excel. What you'll get in today's video is proper columns, no text import wizard, and you're left with static data. We'll build a safe macro that's fast, cancels cleanly, and always resets Excel settings, even if something goes wrong. You'll see the full code line by line and understand why exactly each part exists, the file picker, the import settings, the cleanup routine, and the error handler. The code and a sample file are linked below so you can follow along. Open a blank workbook, press Alt F11 for VBA editor in Windows, insert module and paste the code. We'll walk it top to bottom and I'll point out where to tweak delimiters, preserve leading zeros and speed up big imports. Before we touch the file, we flip a few switches. Screen updating is off. This stops the UI from redrawing. Display alerts off, suppresses prompts, and we capture the current calculation mode, then set it to manual so Excel doesn't calculate mid-import. These three lines make imports feel instant on big files, and that's those three. Now the file dialog, which is here, get open file name, returns either a file path or false if you cancel. We check for that boolean false, and if you do cancel, we skip everything and jump straight to cleanup. No errors, no half applied settings, just a clean exit. We'll import into the active sheet, which is this one here. I'll clear the sheet to start afresh and then remove any leftover query tables from previous runs. That prevents duplicate connections and ensures a predictable destination. Here's the heart of it, the query tables. We add a query table with a text connection pointing at the CSV file, and we set the destination to A1. Query tables gives us fine control over how the text is passed into columns. In the with block here, we pick delimited parsing and set the text qualifier to double quotes, so commas inside quotes stay together. We choose comma delimited as the default with tab, spaces and semicolons off. If your file uses semicolons, flip semicolon delimiter to true or set other delimiter to a character like semicolon. We also set decimal 1000 separators to match your file, dot for decimals and comma for thousands. Preserve formatting keeps any formats you already had, and adjust column width auto fits the result so it's readable immediately. We refresh synchronously. Background query is false, so the import finishes before the next line runs. Then we delete the query table. That removes the connection but leaves the values in place, so your sheet is simple, static data with zero hidden refreshes. Whatever path we took, success or cancel, we hit cleanup. That section there. We restore the previous calculation mode, turn alerts back on and re-enable screen updating. A quick on error resume next here ensures that even cleanup won't crash if something unexpected happens. If anything goes wrong, error handler shows a clear message and then resumes cleanup. You get feedback, no mystery hangs, and Excel ends in a sane state. On really large CSVs, the manual calculation switch you saw earlier is the big win. Screen updating off is the second. with both, even multi-hundred thousand rows fields much faster. So to recap, you now have a safe, reusable CSV import button. Pick a file, pass it with the right delimiter, auto-fit columns, and end with static data. No lingering connections. It cancels cleanly and always resets Excel settings. Grab the code and sample workbook in the description, and I'll run this file again, this script again. So it's choosing the CSV file, click open, and it's there. That's how quick it is. We'll clear the file, and that's it. Enjoy.